Greetings to all our students, audience, friends, and family. Today, our topic is about organizing skills. Hence, let us commence. Is it an individual responsibility to apply organizing skills? Indeed, the better things of life always go to men who form habits of organized thinking. It has always been this way. It always will be. Thinking constructively is one responsibility that no one can delegate to another. It is an individual responsibility. Brilliant. You have learned a terse about organizing skills. Apply this knowledge daily and contribute with others to multiply your abundance, compassion, and wisdom.